Have you ever wondered about the magic behind your advent calendar? It's not just a festive box of treats. It's a carefully crafted piece of holiday tradition designed to bring a little burst of joy to each day leading up to Christmas. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and explore the incredible journey of how these beloved calendars are made, from a simple idea to the finished product in your hands. It all starts, as many great things do, with a creative spark. In the design phase, artists and product developers brainstorm themes and concepts. Will it be a classic winter wonderland, a modern geometric design, or maybe themed around a popular movie? Every single detail, from the overall look to the shape of each tiny window, is meticulously planned. Using digital software or even old-fashioned sketching, designers create the blueprint. They have to think about what surprises will go inside, ensuring each compartment is the perfect size, and that the numbers are placed in a fun, sometimes jumbled, order to make the daily search a little adventure. This initial stage is crucial because it sets the entire mood for the 24 days of anticipation. Once the design is finalized and approved, it's time to bring it to life. This is where the industrial magic begins, starting with printing. Huge, high-tech printing presses roll into action, transferring the vibrant, festive artwork onto massive sheets of cardboard. Think of it like a giant, super precise printer, but instead of paper, it's printing the future front and back of hundreds of calendars at once. The colors have to be perfect. The deep reds, forest greens, and sparkling golds that we all associate with the holiday season. The quality of this print is what gives the calendar its visual appeal on the store shelf and in your home. Immediately after printing, these large sheets move on to the next critical step: die cutting. This is where the little doors are actually created. A custom-made die, which is essentially a sharp cookie cutter-like tool shaped to the design, is pressed onto the cardboard with immense force. It precisely cuts the perforations for each door, those 3 little edges that allow you to peel it open, while leaving the 4th edge attached like a hinge. This process has to be incredibly accurate. If the cuts are off by even a millimeter, the doors won't open properly or might reveal the surprise next to it. For more complex, 3-dimensional calendars, multiple pieces might be cut at this stage, all designed to fit together perfectly later on. Now for everyone's favorite part, the surprises. With the main structure printed and cut, it's time to fill it. The empty calendar trays, often made from molded plastic or folded cardboard, move down a conveyor belt. This is where the real treasure hunt begins for the production team. Depending on the calendar, this step can be done by highly automated machines or by hand. For a classic chocolate calendar, specialized machines will swiftly and hygienically drop a perfectly shaped piece of chocolate into each compartment. For calendars with more varied items, like beauty products, small toys, or gourmet treats, this process is often done by hand to ensure each specific item goes into its correct day and is handled with care. It's a symphony of coordination, making sure every single one of the thousands of compartments is filled correctly. With all the surprises nestled in their spots, the calendar is ready for assembly. The printed, die-cut front cover is carefully placed over the filled tray. These 2 halves are then securely sealed together, usually with a strong, food-safe adhesive applied by automated machinery. The goal is to make sure the calendar is sturdy enough to withstand shipping and handling, and more importantly, to keep each surprise a complete secret until its designated day. This sealing process is the final step in locking in the magic, ensuring that peeking is a real challenge. For pop-up or book-style calendars, this stage might involve more complex folding and gluing, all done with precision to create the final, beautiful structure. The very last leg of the journey is packaging and shipping. The finished advent calendars are wrapped, boxed up, and stacked onto pallets, ready to make their way across the country and even around the world. Logistics teams work tirelessly to ensure these calendars arrive in stores well before the holiday season kicks into high gear, usually by late October or early November. From the factory floor, they are loaded onto trucks, trains, and ships, all on a mission to deliver a daily dose of holiday cheer. The next time you see a stack of them in a store, you'll know the incredible journey they've been on, and that's how it's done. From a simple design sketch to a complex process of printing, cutting, filling, and assembling, the creation of an advent calendar is a wonderful blend of artistry and engineering. It's a testament to the care and effort that goes into making the holiday season feel just a little more magical. Each time you open a door, you're not just getting a small treat. You're opening a little piece of a tradition that was crafted with joy in mind. Thank you so much for joining me on this festive behind-the-scenes tour. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content just like this. Happy holidays, and may your December be filled with wonderful little surprises.